Good morning. Now we see about the structure of C program. The C program has the following sections. Documentation section, link section, definition section, global variable declaration section. Then main function section. It has two parts. One is declaration part. The next one is executable part. The last section is user defined function section. It contains all user defined functions. So C language has the following sections: the documentation section, link section, definition section, global variable declaration section, main function, and user defined function section. All these sections are optional except main function. In documentation section, all the command lines given in this section, the command line starts with /* and ends with */. Those lines usually used to given the name of the program, name of the programmer, date, etc. For this purpose, documentation section is used. So those lines not executed by compiler, those lines are called comment lines. The next section is link section. In this section, all the system library files are included. Example, #include stdio.h. Another system library file is #include conio.h. All the system library files are included in link section. The next section is definition section. It is used to define all the constants that is used in the program. The syntax for defining constant is #define pi 3.14. Those values cannot be changed in the program. Though all the constants values can be given in the definition section. The next section is global variable declaration section. Those variables can be accessed by main function and user defined function. All the functions can access the global variables. Those variables are declared in this section. Example, int a. This variable is declared in global variable declaration section. This integer a value is accessed by main function and user defined function. The next function is main function. Main function has the two parts, declaration part and the executable part. The main function starts with open brace and ends with closing brace. In the declaration part, all the variables are declared here, int x, y. Then all the statements are terminated by semicolon in main function. Then executable part is started in main function. Usually the first executable statement is clr. It is used to clear the output screen. The main function is ended with closing brace. Then use defined function defined in last section. This is the structure of C program. First, documentation section. It has command lines. It starts with slash asterisk, ends with asterisk slash. Not executed by compiler. Usually used for mention, program name, date, etc. Example, Armstrong number, asterisk slash. The next section is link section. It defines, it is used to include all system library files. Example, hash include stdio.h. The next section is definition section. It defines all symbolic constants. Those values not changed during the execution of program. Example, hash define A5. The next section is global variable declaration section. All global variables declared in this section. Example, int A. The next section is main function section. Every C program has main function. The execution begins at main function only. It is enclosed with curly brace. All the statements in main function terminated by semicolon. It has two parts. One is declaration part. All variables are declared here. Example, int A, B. Next part is executable part. C function has at least one statement in executable part. The next section is user defined function section. It has all user defined function definitions. In C language, in C program, all functions are optional except main. Now one C example program. This is command lines. It is given in documentation section. The next section is link section. We include the system library file. This is main function section. In this section, the variables are declared here. This is declaration part. Then executable part, the first statement is CLR-SCR. It is used to clear the screen. In main function, all these statements are terminated by semicolon. It is one of the output statement. Then input statement scanf to get the two input variables. Then calculation C equal to A plus B. Then this is output statement to print the C value. This is the simple C program. In this C program, the documentation section, link section and main function is used. Thank you.